Mysterious Pandran still stands a challenge for the researchers of military history, general history, and archaeology, and all relevant experts, as still nothing has come authentic so far about the human skulls and the accumulated human bones found in a cave known in Brahui as Kom, near the graveyard of Pandran. Situated between Zehri and Kalat, Pandran is a fertile valley gifted with flowing waters, being the center of a busy highway of bygone era. Although small in its size and unimportant for the size of its population, Pandran can never be declared devoid of importance in terms of history. The discovery of human skulls in bulk speaks the splendid civilization of Pandran and the catastrophe it faced as the human skulls stands as evidence of it. Skulls are present, but their history is absent. Although the historians have turned a deaf ear, but it is the stones and the soil of Pandran which speak, but only to those who understand the language of silence and take the symbols as words. The location and geography combined with the flat war field are the custodians of Pandran's history, full of evidences of the destruction Pandran felt. The human bones buried in the battlefield, unearthed by heavy rains through water erosion, is situated about 3 kilometers in the north of present Pandran. This battlefield connects Kalat, Harboi, Nichar to Zehri, choosing Pandran as the central point of it. All these advantages still carry weight in the favor of Pandran and waiting for the moment to welcome the researchers to uncover what is mysterious reality of these skulls.